Hello students, today we will begin with the chapter 2 of geometry, angles and lines. So in that first is what is angle? So angle means when two rays join together with a common vertex, then they will make an angle. So what is the meaning of this? When two rays make a join together with a common vertex, then that is known as an angle. So here I have written and drawn the diagram. I am going to explain with that. So angle means when two rays which have a common end point makes an angle. You can see here in this diagram two rays, OA is one ray and another ray is OB. When these two rays join together at a common vertex, means this point O is known as vertex. So when it is joined at a common point, then this figure which you are getting is known as angle. Now the next is what is interior and exterior of an angle. What is the exterior region and interior region of an angle? So the portion which is inside the angle, these portion is known as interior of the angle. So if these 3 points are marked here, P, Q and R, these 3 points are inside the interior of an angle, and the point, the region lying outside that angle, OAP, is known as the exterior of the angle. And now how to represent this angle? How to represent? So the angle is represented by, the symbol is this, and the name of the angle is AOB, or it can be written as BOA. It means the vertex should be in the middle, and you can write, you can start from AOB or you can start from this side also, BOA. But the condition is to represent this angle here, the vertex should be in the middle. So now interior and exterior also we have discussed. Now one more thing, what is the standard unit for measurement of an angle? So the standard unit for measuring an angle is degree. The angle is measured in degree, like 30 degree, 40 degree. So this degree is the standard unit for measuring the angle. And now when you are making one complete round around a point, turn around one complete turn, then that is known as how many degree? 360 degree. So one complete turn is equal to 360 degree, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This symbol stands for minutes, and it is pronounced as 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This double dash here is known as second, and this one is known as minutes. This is stand for second. This symbol stand for second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So we'll use these things afterward in some numericals. Now classification of angle. So here see that classification, an angle, that first one in that classification, the first type is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, an angle that measures 90 degree is called right angle triangle. You can see here I have drawn the angle measure 90 degree. It is represented by this symbol also, that. So the angle measure 90 degree, then it is known as right angle triangle. When an angle is less than 90 degree, it is the symbol for less than. So when the angle is less than 90 degree, then it is known as acute angle triangle. Acute angle, here you can see this. This is 60 degree. 60 degree is less than 90. So it is acute angle. Now next, third one is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means what? When an angle measures more than 90 degree, then it is known as obtuse angle. More than 90 degree, 110, 120, 130, all the angles are obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. An angle that measures 180 degree is called straight angle. This is, suppose here OA is one ray, and OB, and this is 180 degree angle. So this is known as straight angle. Now next one, reflex angle. So an angle more than 180 degree is called reflex angle. More than 180 degree angles are known as reflex angle. For example, here 210, 200, 190, all are reflex angle. Next, zero angle. Zero angle means an angle that measures 0 degree is called zero angle. In this case, if two lines are in the same straight line, means there is no angle is forming between that two lines. They are in the same line, then two rays are in the same line, then they are known as, then angle between them is known as zero angle. Next is complete angle. An angle that measures 360 degree means one complete turn around a point. An angle that measures 360 degree is called complete angle. Now classification of angle is over. We will discuss now the relation between the angles. Relation between the angles. In that we will discuss about the complementary angle and supplementary angle. So what is the meaning of complementary angle? Complementary angle means when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then that two angles are known as complement of each other. For example, if one angle is 30 degree, another angle, if you want to find out the complement of that angle, so 30 plus 60 is 90 degree, means from 90 you will subtract 30 degree. So that will give you the complement of 30 degree. So complement of 30 will be 60 degree. And here we'll show by that example, so solving here, first one. See that, find the complement. One more example, find the complement of 50 degree. Then to find the complement of 50 degree, you will subtract that given angle from 90. So you will get 40 degree, and you can check when you will 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 degree. So the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree. Then these two are known as complement of each other. Now same way supplementary angle. So what is the meaning of supplementary angle? When the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angle. Means the sum of two angles will be equal to 180. So for example, let us discuss one example. Find the supplement of 60 degree angle. So to find its supplement, what we will do, how to find supplement? We will subtract here from 180 degree. The given angle we will subtract from 180 degree. So 180 minus 60. 180 degree minus 60 degree. So 120 degree. So supplement of 60 degree will be 120, and you can cross check. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, which is the definition of supplementary angle. The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is known as supplementary angles. So here complementary means the sum of the two angles must be equal to 90 degree, and supplementary means the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. So by this you can find supplement and complementary angles. Now let us start exercise 2A of that geometry portion. So first question here is, name the angle shown in each of the following. Name the angle shown in each of the following. So here one angle is drawn. Here see this diagram, in that you have to name this angle. So I told you how to name the angle. The vertex should be in the middle, and you can start from this side or this side. So name of this angle will be angle APB, or you can write angle PBPA. So this is the name of this angle. Now second one, the second diagram which is given in your book, first question of the book, ABC. It is a triangle, and in that triangle three angles are there, and you have to name all three angles. So we can name them. We can start from this angle. So the name of this angle will be ABP. The vertex, this angle should be in the middle. The name of this point should be in the middle. So angle will be ABC, this one. Now you write this one. So you can write BAC, and if you want to represent this angle, so you will write ACB. ACB, or you can write BCA also, but here I have written ACB, ABC and BAC, these three angles name. Now if you have got your book, you can see question number 2, 3 and 4 are very easy here. In question number 2, you have to name the points which are in the interior and exterior of the PQR. So interior means the points which are inside the angle, that is A and C here, and B, P, E, D, that all are the exterior points. So these questions I am not going to discuss because it is very easy questions, you can do by yourself. Now directly I am going to explain you question number 5. Write the measure of the angle which is equal to, and some values are given. So I am going to tell you question number 5. See here, question number 5. Write the measure of the angle which is equal to 35 degree, 18 degree, 40 degree plus 15 degree, 47 minutes and 30 minutes. So sorry, here I have pronounced wrong. 35 degree, 18 minutes, 40 seconds, and then 15 degree, 47 minutes and 30 minutes. So you have to add these two values. 35 degree, 18 minutes, 40 seconds. You have to add with 15 degree, 47 minutes, 30 seconds. So you will add. In first step, what you do, you add it simply. Seconds with seconds, minutes with minutes, and degree with degree separately. No carry and nothing. So 40 seconds with 30 seconds, it will come 70 seconds. So the value will be 40 plus 30, 70 seconds. Then 18 minutes, 47 minutes, it will be 65 minutes. And 35 degree, 15 degree, it will be 50 degree. Now you have to write it in the correct form. So how to write it in the correct form? You can see here it is 70 seconds. 70 seconds. So 70 seconds you will change in minutes and seconds. You know 70 seconds means what? 60 seconds plus 10 seconds. 60 seconds plus 10 seconds. You can break this 70 seconds in two parts, 60 seconds and 10 seconds. And now that 60 seconds can be written as 1 minute. I told you this values. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So here you can write at the place of 60 seconds, you can write here 1 minute. Now this is 1 minute 10 seconds. This 1 minute you will add in the minute value it is 65. Now in that 65 you will add that 1 minute. So 65 will become 65 minutes plus 1 minute, it will become 66 minutes. Now this 66 minutes also you will break in degree and minutes. So 66 minutes means what? 66 minutes means it is 60 minutes plus 6 minutes. 66 minutes means 60 minutes plus 6 minutes, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So it is 1 degree 6 minutes. Now this 1 degree you will add in degree 1. So 50 degree here. In that 50 degree you will add this. So 50 plus 1 degree, that will be 51 degree. Now minute value is 6 minutes. So all together you can write 51 degree, 6 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is your final answer. Let us discuss one more example of that. 50 degree, 37 minutes, 30 seconds. 30 degree, 37 minutes, 50 seconds. So now you will add first second. So 30 seconds and 50 seconds will be 80 seconds. 37 minutes, when you will add, it will come 74 minutes. And 50 degree, 30 degree, it will come 80 degree. Now write it in the proper form. So change this 80 seconds into minutes and seconds. So 80 seconds you can write in two parts, 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. 80 seconds means 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. And 60 seconds can be written as 1 minute. So 80 seconds will be 1 minute 20 seconds. 80 seconds can be written as 1 minute 20 seconds. Now this 1 minute will be added to minutes. So here 74 minutes. So 74 minutes plus 1 minute. It will be 75 minutes. Now again break this 75 minutes also and write it into two parts. 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. 75 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. And 60 minutes is equal to, 1 degree. So replace this 60 minutes by 1 degree. So 75 minutes is equal to 1 degree 15 minutes. Now this 1 degree you will add into the degree part. Here 80 degree. So in that 80 degree you will add 1 degree. So 80 degree plus 1 degree, 81 degree. So 81 degree 15 minutes and 20 seconds. This is your final answer. 81 degree, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Now find the complementary angle of the following. First is 36 degree. So you have to find the complementary angle of 36 degree. So to find the complementary angle of 36 degree, we will subtract it from 90 degree. As you know, the sum of the two complementary angles must be equal to 90 degree. So you want to find the next complementary angle of this, then you will subtract it from 90 degree. So 90 minus 36. 90 degree minus 36 degree. So it will give you 54 degree. So this is your answer. So complementary of 36 will be 54 degree. Now next example is complementary angle of 50 degree 30 minutes. 50 degree 30 minutes. So again, to find that, you will subtract it from 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 50 degree 30 minutes. So here see, you can see 90 degree is given, no minutes value. So what we will take? We will take 1 degree here. But we will borrow 1 degree and we will change it into minutes. So this will become 89 degree. When we will take 1 degree from that, so this will become 89 degree and 1 degree we will change in minutes. So we can write 90 degree as 89 degree 60 minutes also. 90 degree means 89 degree 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 degree and 1 degree plus 89 degree, it will be 90 degree. So 90 degree can be written as 89 degree 60 minutes. Now easily you can subtract this value. So you write 50 degree 30 minutes here and now you subtract. So 60 minutes minus 30 minutes will be 30 minutes and from 89 degree you will subtract 50 degree and you will get 39 degree. So the answer is 39 degree 30 minutes. Now find the supplementary angle of the following. Now you have to find the supplementary angle. The first one is 63 degree. So how to find supplementary of 63 degree? You know, in case of supplementary we will subtract it from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 63 degree. So supplementary angle of 63 will be 180 minus 63 and on subtracting simply you will get 170 degree. So this is your answer, 117 degree. Now next one is 90 degree. You have to find the supplementary of 90 degree. So supplementary of 90 degree will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. So answer is 90 degree. Next is supplementary of 100 degree 30 minutes. 100 degree 30 minutes. So you will subtract it from 180 degree. 180 degree minus 100 degree 30 minutes. Again you can see here only degree value is there, no minute value. So you will borrow 1 degree from this and you will change it into minutes. So 180 degree, on giving 1 degree it will become 179 degree and 1 degree will be changed or can be written in minutes as 60 minutes. So 180 degree will become 179 degree 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 degree and 1 degree is added with 179. It will be 180 degree. It means 180 degree you can write as 179 degree 60 minutes and from that now you will subtract 100 degree 30 minutes. So now you can easily subtract 60 minutes minus 30 minutes will be 30 minutes and 179 degree minus 100 it will be 79 degree. So answer is 79 degree 30 minutes. This is your answer. Now the other questions which is left in this exercise we will discuss in next turn. Thank you.